Truth be told, my ends are damaged from back when I had the red color. My first trimester of pregnancy, I did not take care of my hair. I would go weeks without washing my hair, and the dandruff in my locks started getting embedded into my new growth. I lived in a bonnet. I literally was not taking care of my hair. So imagine now I have all this new growth. I'm not sticking to my washing once a week schedule. My dandruff is getting embedded into my locks. I'm having flat locks from always laying in my bonnet. It was just time to take care of my hair. So it's been about 3 or 4 days since I finished retightening my hair, and I'm actually about to style it because I really want to wash it, but I want to also show you guys my new babies. Yeah, my new babies. So because I had a lot of postpartum shedding in the front of my hair, especially the front of my hair, a lot of my locks got really weak. And in the midst of retightening my hair, I had to create some new baby locks. And my new baby locks are pretty much the hairs that were dangling for dear life. For example, this here. So eventually, either I'm going to cut this out, or when it falls out, it's already like this thin part here. That is my new baby lock. I'm pretty sure Matthew's gonna pull this out anyway. But yeah, this is dangling on for dear life. I have about 6 of these throughout the front of my head. I had contemplating, yeah, some of them are in different places, different stages. I had contemplated combining some of them, but then either way the lock is too heavy. Like these two together, but this will be too heavy for the base of the lock. That's on this side. Yeah, my hair is growing back right here. Mostly grays, but it's growing back nonetheless. Here is another new lock. Yeah, it was pretty bad, you all. But there is hope. I was tempted to cut my hair and start over with a new set of locks, a different set of locks. But I want to see if I can nurse my hair back to health. Let's see if you guys can see the length. "3 years locked."